In this video, I'll guide you through how to clear the Google Drive cache using your web browser. Clearing your cache can help fix issues like files not updating, pages loading incorrectly, or Google Drive feeling slow or glitchy. We'll keep this simple and straightforward, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click. First, make sure you have Google Drive open in your browser. You can do this by going to the Google Drive website and signing into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main Google Drive page and you can see your files and folders, you're ready for the next part. Now look along the top of your browser window at the tab where Google Drive is open. On most browsers, you'll see a small icon to the left of the website address in the address bar. This could be a lock icon or sometimes a little information symbol. This is the page information or site information area, and it's what we're going to use to access the settings just for Google Drive. Click on that small icon in the address bar. When you click it, a small menu will appear showing details related specifically to the Google Drive site. This is different from your general browser settings. These options only affect this particular website. Taking this route is useful because it lets you clear data for Google Drive without touching data for your other sites. In that small menu, look for an option called Site Settings. The wording might be slightly different depending on your browser, but it will be something very close to Site Settings. Go ahead and click that. Your browser will open a new tab or a new page that shows all the settings it has stored just for Google Drive. On this settings page, you'll see different sections such as permissions, security, and stored data. What we're interested in here is the data that the browser has saved locally for Google Drive, which usually includes things like cached files, stored cookies, and other site data. This is what we want to clear to reset how Google Drive loads in your browser. Scroll through the page until you find an option to clear or delete data for this site. In many browsers, this will be labeled Delete Data, Clear Data, or something very similar. When you click this option, your browser may show a confirmation message to make sure you really want to remove the stored data for Google Drive. Confirm that you want to delete the data. Keep in mind that this will remove cached files and site data related to Google Drive in your browser, but it will not delete any of your actual files stored in your Google Drive account. Your documents, photos, and folders in the cloud are safe. You are only clearing temporary data stored on your computer. Once the data has been deleted, it's a good idea to close the Google Drive tab and then open it again or simply refresh the page. When Google Drive reloads, it will pull fresh information from the server instead of relying on the old cached data, which often resolves loading glitches and sync display issues. That's all you need to do. You've successfully cleared the Google Drive cache through your browser's site settings, which can be a quick and effective way to troubleshoot problems and keep things running smoothly.